Video essay question 1, endocrine glands. Make an outline sketch of the body and draw in representation of the following endocrine glands. For each endocrine gland, point to it and name the number of hormones indicated from that gland. For each hormone, state its function. So the anterior pituitary gland, it possesses or comprises of 6 hormones. The first hormone, here's my sketch. So the anterior pituitary gland is this little P-shaped area that you have, that's a part of your brain, and it's right here. That's how I drew it out. And these 6 hormones from the anterior pituitary gland. The first hormone is the thyroid stimulating hormone, and it secretes the thyroid hormone. The adrenal corticotropic hormone, ACTH, it stimulates the adrenal cortex to release the corticosteroid hormones, glucocorticoids, gonadotropins, and the mineralocorticoids. I know I messed those words up bad. The gonadotropins secrete the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and the luteinizing hormone, LH, and they regulate the function of the gonads, the ovaries, and the testes. In both sexes, the follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the gamete production, while the luteinizing hormone promotes the production of the gonadal hormones, estrogen and testosterone. The growth hormone, it stimulates most body cells to increase in size and divide. Its major targets are the bones and skeletal muscles. The prolactin hormone, PRL, it stimulates milk production by the breast. So then the next is the posterior pituitary hormone, and it's located, of course, behind the anterior pituitary gland, and that's it there. And the hormones that it secretes are the antidiuretic hormone, which influences, body water balance. It targets the kidney tubulus, which is responsible for reabsorbing more water from the forming of urine, and also oxytocin. So that posterior hormone gland secretes 2 hormones, the antidiuretic hormone and the oxytocin hormone. And oxytocin stimulates contractions of smooth muscle of the uterus during childbirth. So then we have your thyroid gland that's right here in your neck. And so it has 2 hormones that it secretes. It secretes T3 and T4, and it is referred to as the body's major metabolic hormone. T3 is most active and is found in target tissues by conversion of T4, and T4 is secreted from the thyroid in greater amounts than T3. Then you have your parathyroid, which is over here. So you got your parathyroid glands, and with your parathyroid, you have calcitonin, and the calcitonium is produced by particular cells of the thyroid gland, and it is released in response to high blood levels of calcium. It also, like I said, regulates the serum calcium concentration. Then we have the pancreas. So your pancreas is right underneath your, let me find it. It's kind of underneath your liver. And what your pancreas does, it is actually located behind your stomach, and the hormones that the pancreas is responsible for is your insulin and your glucagon. And with this, it is released in response to low blood sugars. The glucagon is released in response to low blood sugars. The insulin is released in response of high blood sugars. So insulin function is to lower your blood sugar to the proper level, and then the glucagon is to actually raise your blood sugar to the proper level. So the pancreas has two hormones that it secretes. Then you have the adrenal gland, and the adrenal gland is right above your kidneys, and this is where your aldosterone comes from. Excuse me. And then you got your glucosteroids, cortisol, and then you have the adrenals, testosterone. You also have your epinephrine and your norepinephrine. So those are the hormones that the adrenal glands they produce. And again, here is my sketch, and here's the pancreas. Here's your adrenal glands. Here's your thyroid, and you got your anterior pituitary, your posterior pituitary, and that's it. All right, thank you.